So, you've been eyeing those tiny trees and thinking, wow, I want one, but they look impossible to keep alive. Good news, I'm here to prove you wrong. Today we're talking about 5 hardy bonsai trees beginners can't kill. These trees are tough, forgiving, and perfect for anyone starting out. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner bonsai tips from the Bonsai Barn. Trust me, your future trees will thank you. First up, juniper bonsai. These outdoor champions thrive in various weather and aren't picky about soil. They need bright light and airflow. Give them that, and they'll flourish. Next, ficus bonsai. The ultimate indoor beginner tree. Ficus tolerates mistakes like the occasional missed watering and loves indirect light. Plus, their waxy leaves are super stylish. Third, the Chinese elm. It's adaptable, thriving indoors or outdoors, and bounces back easily from pruning. Perfect for learning bonsai pruning techniques. Fourth, the jade bonsai. If you've kept a succulent alive, you'll ace this one. It's low maintenance, needs little water, and has glossy leaves that add a tropical vibe. Finally, the dwarf schefflera. Also called the umbrella tree, this bonsai is nearly indestructible. It naturally grows in unique shapes, so you can skip wiring and intense styling. Here's the best part. These trees are perfect for learning bonsai basics. Watering. Use the finger test. If the soil feels dry, water it. Avoid overwatering. Soil. Choose well-draining bonsai soil to prevent soggy roots. Light. Outdoor trees like junipers need full sun, while ficus thrives in indirect light. Pruning. These hardy trees are forgiving, so start small and experiment. Which of these hardy bonsai trees caught your eye? Do you already have a favorite, or are you planning to try one? Let me know in the comments. If you're wondering, what if my bonsai gets sick? Don't worry, I've got videos on common bonsai diseases, preventing pests, and reviving a dying bonsai. That's it for today. Check out my other beginner-friendly guides for pruning, wiring, and seasonal care. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs a little bonsai inspiration. Join our community, and let's grow these little trees together. See you in the next video.